All right, so we're going to talk about Cursor and Windsurf. Now, these two are very similar. They're their own IDE, they're integrated development environment, their own co-editor, so to speak. So you have to download the app from cursor.com. So once you download, you'll see something like this. We're going to start with the repository, with the GitHub that we've been working on. Um, so let's do this. We'll come back to here. We'll grab the URL here, and then we'll clone it. All right, so sandbox may go. All right, we'll open it from here. All right, so from here, we're going to give the prompts to Cursor. Now, the reason we have this here because we clone the entire repository. So all these folders and their information are now in my local machine. So I'm going to actually drag these folder over. One, two, three, and then the prompt. I will find the right prompt. Generate technical, generate web. Okay, so here, you copy this and then say add to chat, and then make sure you're in agent mode, and then we'll go. Right? So happy to create next year. Okay, so it will go to work, and then we'll come back. All right. So just like call code, it's going to run some command. It will ask for your permission. So from time to time, you just have to hit run, and then it will continue. You will see it starting to, okay, so it's now running that command. This would take a while. So again, we'll come back. I just want to show you that it's going to run some local command, right? You see it's actually making a directory. Okay, so we'll come back. Okay. All right. So this is cursor and it finally came back. So let's see what it has built. Let's start a terminal here. We're in this folder. We need to go into the implementation folder. There's yet another one. So let's see if we can do run dev in here. All right. So seems like it started. So let's go there. All right. So we know demo count. Let's see. All right. Get a 404 right on the dashboard. So let's have it fix it. Um, get a 404 on dashboard right after login. Okay, so let's see how long will it take. Let's see if we want to wait for it. Okay. Yeah, so like now again, I want to go like cursor is meant to be a pair programming paradigm where you're in the code, you're a developer, you kind of know what you're doing. So it requires you to accept everything it does far more than the tools that we have seen so far, right? Because we've seen Lovable. Lovable just assume you don't know anything at all. Just like give me the problem, I'll make something happen, right? More on the GUI side. As we move to the more control side, it assumes more and more you being a developer who knows what's going on. And because with vibe coding, we don't want to know. So like here, it may become different. So it depends on who you are. A lot of developers love Cursor and Windsurf, which we will look at next. So we'll see. I think it may have already. Yep. So this is the dashboard. Not done yet, but this is the dashboard. Okay, so like I don't know why it made that change. Okay. Hmm. We'll create another folder. All right. So we're vibe coding, so we'll let it do. All right, create a public folder, generate a simple logo. Okay, that's awesome. See what the logo looks like. We're not there yet. Let's see. Ooh, what is that? Anyway, let's see where it is. Still doing, still working. Let's wait for it to finish before we explore, but it's already looking a lot better. Okay. Okay, we have to accept this. All right, so it's done updating. Let's see. Factory refreshes. Okay, so we have the dashboard, we have projects. Yep, looks good. We have inspection, samples. Yeah, it's actually very, very good. Equipment, full files, full, right? So you can ask it to fix. Now I'm not going to do that, but you already know what we can do. So um, that's cursor. Well, actually, why don't we do this? We'll tell that. No, not this one. Well, actually, right now this should work, right? Yeah. So profile is 404. We'll just tell it dashboard slash profile 404 and do one last update here. 8404. Looking from simpler and simpler. Yeah. So vibe coding is all about accepting, saying yes. Now you do need to understand the project a little bit. Like that's why I keep saying vibe coding is a new skill set. You cannot be completely uh, on the business side. You also cannot be completely on the technical side. You need to stay in the middle. You need to be open to learning a little bit of language. And but if you do, you have a new skill set. All right. So it's going to generate. We'll come back to this. All right. So it's done. Let's take a final look. Okay, profiles here, right? So sample. Okay, so it looks good. So this is cursor, and then we'll look at windsurf. All right.